Asked.
Good morning, good morning, everyone. My name is Christian Ralph Salazar from kindergarten. I will tell you a story about Russell from a movie. Russell was a cheerful boy scout who wanted the early final band for helping the elderly. He met a old he met an old man named Carl. Carl wants to fly his house to South America using 100 balloons. Russell joined him in an adventure, hoping to help. Along the way, he met a funny bird named Kevin. He met a funny bird named Kevin and a talking dog named Dog. Russell kindness and courage touched Charlie's heart. He taught him and the real adventures comes from love and friendship, not just trouble. The moral lesson in the story is the greatest adventures comes from